In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Microsoft Excel. Printing in Excel can sometimes be a bit tricky, but by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate the print settings to get the results you need. Start by opening your Microsoft Excel file. Once you have your document open, it's a good idea to set the print area, especially if you only need to print a specific range of cells. This step is optional, but it can save you time and paper. To do this, first highlight the range of cells you plan to print. Then head over to the Page Layout tab located near the top of your screen. In the Page Setup group, you'll find the Print Area button. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Set Print Area. This action tells Excel exactly which parts of your spreadsheet should be printed. Next, you'll need to access the Print menu. Go to the File tab, which is situated at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, look for the Print option. This will take you to the Print Preview screen, where you can review how your document will appear once printed and adjust any necessary settings. Now let's take a closer look at configuring the print settings. The Print Preview screen is your command center for making sure everything looks perfect. Under the Settings section, you'll find multiple options. You can choose to print active sheets if you want to print all sheets currently selected. This is handy if you're working on a multi-sheet workbook and only want to print a portion. Alternatively, select Print Entire Workbook if you're looking to print every sheet in the file. If you only marked a few cells but didn't set a print area, Print Selection will be your go-to choice, as it ensures you're only printing the cells you highlighted. It's also crucial to select the correct paper size for your print job. The standard options include letter and A4, each catering to different regional standards. Decide on the orientation of your document, choosing between landscape or portrait depending on the layout and the nature of your content. Make sure to enter the exact number of copies you need. Lastly, select a preset margin or opt for custom margins if your document requires special formatting. Correct margins are essential to ensure nothing gets chopped off at the edges. With all your settings configured, it's time for the final step, clicking the Print button. You'll find this at the top of the print pane. A simple click will confirm your settings and start the printing process. You'll need to click Print one more time to finalize the action and send your document to the printer. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to printing your documents in Microsoft Excel. With these steps, you'll be able to print precisely what you need, neatly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy printing.